Orchard Cooking with Kids, we're going to make
blueberry breakfast bar
in honor of my mother, Sarah Gray. So the first step is to put in 3/4 cup white flour and whole wheat flour.
3/4 cup.
Now mix in
1/2 cup of
brown sugar and 1/4 cup oatmeal. 1 1/4 cup. Then you want to pour in 3/4 teaspoon baking powder. Then you want to mix in 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda.
We're mixing it all up in our bowl.
Now you can also use this brown sugar saver to keep your brown sugar soft and moist. Then you want to put in 1 stick softened butter. We like to get every little bit of the butter.
Yeah, so we use it with a spatula.
Put the butter into the flour mixture with the pastry masher. You can use the spatula to get it out of the pastry mixer. Then you want to take away 1 1/2 cup of your mixture and set it aside for your crumbly topping. And you can also use the end of the mixing thingy that you use and just use it to measure off. Now we need 1 egg. I recommend using another bowl to crack the egg in, so if you get shells in it, you won't have to pick it out of here, and it's easier to pick out.
We're cracking our egg now.
There. Then you want to pour your egg in the mixture.
And now we're going to stir it up.
You want to mash that egg up.
Yeah, so we mix it in.
Then you want to mix in 3/4 cup blueberries, frozen or thawed.
Now we're going to stir it up.
I want to get the blueberries mixed in with everything, like we did with the egg. Now you're going to pour in your mixture into a parchment lined pan.
We're going to pour it in with a spatula.
We want to get all the blueberries
inside the pan.
Yeah. The parchment paper makes it easy to lift that bar out. And then you want to use your hands and mix it all around and pat it down. You want to do it gently too, so they're not squashing the blueberries.
Yeah, don't want the blueberries to get broken.
Now you can put on top of this mixture blueberry preserves and 10 ounces of it.
And we're going to use it with a spatula to get every little bit of it.
Yes, we love using every little bit.
That way we don't waste it.
And spatulas are very good to use.
Yeah.
We only need a little bit of the preserves though, because it doesn't look like that much actually. Now we're going to put on the preserved mixture, and then you can use your hands and make sure you get every little bit of there.
Yeah, we're going to put it all the way up.
It's going to be our crumbly topping.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
My mom used to make this all the time. Now we're going to put it in and bake it for 35 to 40 minutes at 350.
Now I'm going to try my blueberry breakfast bar. You can taste those blueberries inside it.
Now I'm going to try the blueberry breakfast bar we made. It's delicious. I love the taste, and I remember eating this already. They're delicious.
In honor of my mom, I'm going to try the blueberry breakfast bars that my sister made. They taste just like Mom's that I had when I was little. Hi, my name is Ben, and these blueberry breakfast bars are in honor of my mom. And I'm going to tell you a story about them. So, my bathroom was right above the kitchen, right above the stove. And when I was taking a shower, some of the water spilled out and it dripped down from the ceiling and ruined all the blueberry bars. I was very sad about that because I remember my mom would make them once a month and they tasted really delicious.